Today, I'll show you how to set up Visual Studio Code for web development in 2026. First, download Visual Studio Code from the official site. It's free, lightweight, and available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. VS Code is a code editor with built-in features like an integrated terminal, file explorer, and powerful extension support that turns it into a full web dev workspace. Run the installer you downloaded and follow the prompts. On Windows, allow adding the path option and context menu entries. If you're on macOS or Linux, drag the app to Applications or use your distro's package manager. Open VS Code, click Open Folder, and choose or create a project folder where your website files will live. This folder becomes your workspace. Now let's add a few essential extensions. Press Ctrl+Shift+X to open the extensions pane. Install Live Server. This extension launches a local development server with live reload. Every time you save an HTML, CSS, or JS file, the browser refreshes automatically. Install CSS Peek. When you're editing HTML, CSS Peek lets you class or ID names to jump straight to the CSS definition. Super handy for navigating large style sheets and understanding which rules apply. Install Prettier, a popular code formatter. Prettier keeps your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript consistently styled. Enable format on Save in Settings so your code formats automatically whenever you save a file. VS Code already has strong JavaScript support, but I recommend adding ESLint, finds and autofixes common JavaScript errors and enforces style rules. JavaScript ES6 code snippets gives you handy shortcuts for common JS structures. Install a Bootstrap snippets extension. Look for one matching your Bootstrap version, e.g., Bootstrap 5. These give you quick HTML components and grid shortcuts, so you can scaffold navbars, cards, and responsive layouts in seconds. Create a new file called index.html. Inside, type, and press Tab, that's Emmet. Emmet expands into a full HTML boilerplate, doc type, head, body, meta tags, saving time. Emmet is built into VS Code, so no extension needed. Right-click index.html and choose Open with Live Server, or click the Go Live button in the bottom right. Your default browser will open with a live preview. Now every save updates the page instantly. Magic! And that's it. If this helped you, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more web dev tutorials.